Hello there. I'm Henry from Technoin Stylex. In this video, I will give you 10 practical tips to speed up your computer and make it faster. If you're ready, let's get started. Type Control Panel to type here to search. Type Troubleshooting in the search field in the tab that opens. And then click on Troubleshooting. Then select Run Maintenance Tasks. And click on Next. Then click on Try Troubleshooting as an administrator. After waiting a few seconds, your troubleshooting process is finished. Type View Advanced System Settings to type here to search. Click on Setting to access Performance Settings. Click Custom. And then you can turn off unnecessary visual features. Example: show shadow under mouse pointer. Type Control Panel to type here to search. And then click System and Security. Then click on Security and Maintenance. Click Maintenance to change the maintenance settings. Then click Change Maintenance Settings. Click Allow Scheduled Maintenance to wake up my computer at the scheduled time each day for your computer to perform maintenance at the time you specify. And finally click Start Maintenance. Press Windows plus R on keyboard. And type msconfig. In the tab that opens, select the Services option. And click Hide all Microsoft services. So you will not disable Microsoft services that are important for the system. Then select the services you want to disable or enable on your system. Finally, restart your computer and complete the process. Type Notifications and Action Settings to type here to search. Check the option Get Tips, Tricks and Suggestions as you use Windows. If not, turn it off, so you won't see unnecessary tips, suggestions and tricks as you use Windows. Type Edit Power Plan to type here to search. In the tab that opens, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on Processor Power Management in the Power Saver list. Then click on Minimum Processor State. Set the on-battery and plugged-in options to 0%. And then click on Maximum Processor State. Make sure the on-battery and plugged-in options are set to 100%. Type Task Manager to type here to search. In the tab that opens, click on the Startup option. In the tab that opens, you will see the list of applications running in the background while your computer is starting. You can disable the application that you think is unnecessary, or you can enable the application you want by accessing this tab later. To access and delete temporary files on your computer, press Windows+R on the keyboard, and then type temp. All files listed in the tab that opens are temporary. You can select all of them by pressing Ctrl+A on the keyboard, then right-click and delete the selected files. At the end of the process, by deleting all your temporary files, you will free up space that can be used on your computer. Type Settings to type here to search. And then click on Personalization. Choose Colors. Select Make Start Taskbar and Action Center Transparent to make the Start Taskbar and Action Center transparent. Type Disk Cleanup and type here to search. Click OK button. Then wait for Disk Cleanup free space calculation. In the tab that opens, find the Temporary Files option at the end of the list and check it. And then click OK. Make sure to permanently delete these files, and click Delete Files. So you have deleted unnecessary files on your computer. Our video has ended. I hope it was useful for you. You can browse the other videos of our channel to reach more such content. I'm Henry from Technoin Stylex. I wish you a good day. Stay safe.